As a CEO, CFO, or COO of a small to medium-sized company or nonprofit, you know that the success of your business depends on the safety and security of your information technology systems. Cybersecurity should be at the top of your priority list, but with the ever-increasing frequency and complexity of cyber attacks, it can be challenging to stay ahead of the curve. That's why we've published a free book called Relax IT is Covered, filled with actionable information on how to protect your network and business from cyber threats. Cybercrime is a serious and costly issue for businesses of all sizes. In Relax IT is Covered, we outline the history and statistics of cybercrime, including the largest data breaches of the 21st century. We also explain why you are cybercriminals' #1 target and the risks and costs associated with a data breach. These risks and costs include government fines, legal fees, lawsuits, loss of reputation and customers, bank fraud, and a false sense of security. Now, the problem with cybercrime is that it can happen to anyone, regardless of size or industry. Small to medium-sized businesses are particularly vulnerable because they often lack the resources to invest in robust cybersecurity measures. However, cybercriminals are aware of this and often target smaller businesses precisely because they perceive them to be easier targets. Fortunately for you, Relax IT is Covered provides practical steps you can take now to protect your network and business from cyber threats. We cover topics such as how cybercriminals attack your network, how to keep spyware, malware, and viruses off your network, creating better passwords, and protecting your Wi-Fi network. We also discuss the pros and cons of cloud computing, how to prevent identity theft, and how to stay secure while working from home. And we understand that cybersecurity can be overwhelming and complex, which is why we've broken down our advice into easy-to-follow steps that you can implement immediately. By following the guidelines outlined in our book, you'll be well on your way to safeguarding your business from the dangers of cybercrime. So contact us today to get your free copy of Relax IT is Covered and start taking proactive steps to protect your business from cyber threats. We believe that prevention is better than cure. And by taking action now, you can avoid the costly and damaging consequences of a cyber attack.